So we had a bit of a break in the rain, and I had my wife and kids help me move the walls and the roof to the back of the house. The walls went back together pretty quickly. I just used carriage bolts to attach those. The roof is just friction fit on the top, and we had two people in the front lifting and two people on ladders on either side to guide it into place. And once it got aligned with the back plate, it just dropped down in place. I'm just reattaching the back plate of the roof to the top plates. To finish attaching the roof rafters to the top plate, I'm using Simpson hurricane ties and securing them with number 9 1.5" exterior grade Simpson connectors. The shed is pretty much in its final resting place. I've pushed it back as far against the wall as I can, but unfortunately there's a bow in my wall, and so in order for the back wall of my shed to be plumb, it forces the bottom of it about 1/2 inch away from the back of the concrete. I'm going to go ahead and screw it all down right now the way it is. To attach the frame to the floor, I'm using the same 4-inch screws that I used to attach the roof. I'm cutting the OSB for the sides of the shed before attaching them to the frame, so I don't have to trim them off later. So I'm putting the sheeting 1 inch off the bottom of the base. I'm using a combination of 1.5 inch and 2 inch exterior wood screws to attach the OSB to the studs and to the roof. So I'm attaching screws every 6 inches around the perimeter, and I'm doing it every foot on the inside studs. So before putting the soffit on, I have to go ahead and cut some OSB for here, over the door, and then on the other side. Well, that wraps up this video on getting the sheathing installed. In my next video, I'll be attaching the trim and finishing up with the roof. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel, liking and sharing this video, and I'll see you in the next video.